Alright, back to the Power Spec branded computers. I am cheating a little bit here because last night at home I went ahead and took the other one and made it mostly ready for sale. It's I'm hesitant to sell it without an SSD, but I'm probably going to do that. I'm probably just going to sell these as very inexpensive computers. So I took the screws out. Yeah, this is again Power Spec. This is a Core i3 DVD burner, card reader, USBs on the front. Looks like this case had provisions for eSATA, but this one doesn't have it. Now, I remember that it's a second gen i3, but I don't remember particularly which one. And it's funny because today, right now, I got my heater on, but probably by the end of the shooting today, I'm going to end up having the air conditioner on. So, 2 PS2, serial HDMI, VGA, 4 USB 2.0s, network, audio. Now this has a network card or a Wi-Fi card in it, but they literally just ripped the antenna out of it because the antenna ferrule is still there, but the antenna itself is gone. I had another antenna at my house that I put on the other one, and network card or the Wi-Fi card works fine. This is bent a little bit. So, if this is anything like the other one, it's got a 2 terabyte hard drive, and it does. It's an i3 second gen. I don't remember the model number. They really like this ADATA RAM because got 4 gigs of ADATA RAM, DDR3. I think I have another stick of it somewhere here. This one's Samsung. I can make it 8 gigs. But then I'm going to want to put an SSD in this because although the dual interleave would make it a lot quicker anyway. Well, maybe not a lot quicker, but it is. I have done tests in the past to see that it's good. Wait a minute, is that a USB 3.0 header? No, it can't be. It's just another USB 2.0, it looks like. So what do you say we hook this up, see what happens? I did put in the other 4 gigs because I don't know, but give me 1 second. Alright, so here we are hooked up. Let me get this keyboard thing down. I heard a noise outside, so I went to check on it because I thought I heard somebody blow a horn. I thought maybe they needed me to move my truck, but nobody's out there, so I figured I'd do that before I start the video and get interrupted. So this one powers on just fine. I think. Yep, yeah, there we go. What the heck? That's weird. Is that a... Alright. That was a bit on the outside. Try to see. It's actually pretty bright in here, so I can't see what color that LED is. So I'm going to take that second RAM stick out. That'll be part of my testing here. Oh, I just took that out while it was still turned on. That's not good. Oh, actually the other one was very clean. This one, the CPU fan is pretty clogged and is not spinning. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to clean this out. Okay, so the CPU cooler is not completely locked up, but I don't know if you can hear this. Let me it's not turning, but the rear one, I wish there was a way to describe to you on camera how much I'm actually turning on that, and it's just not spinning. But I want to see if this even works, because this might just end up being a parts computer. So we're going to take the risk of it not completely running the CPU cooler. And nothing's coming up on the monitor. Last time, when it actually did boot, it had it was flashing the BIOS screen. So I think this is going to end up being a parts computer, which is okay, because I've already kind of made back what I spent on all of them. So take out this Wi-Fi card, and I guess this is going to be it for this video. I wanted to show it working, but so the DVD drive's good. I'll take the Wi-Fi card because you can get the antennas cheap on Amazon. So this is probably going to be the quickest video in the series. So thanks everybody for watching. Scrolling across the screen right now, special thanks to my Patreon supporters, and if you'd like to see your name there, there's always a link down in the description below. But as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.